This is the AIRA Compact charging case, and it has everything you need to keep your AIRA Compacts nice and charged and ready to go for class. It has two handles, one at the top and then one at the side to help you roll the case around or pick it up. At the back, it has the charging input, which we'll have a look at now. It also has some really solid wheels to roll the case around. It's currently all set up and plugged in, as you can see, and let's have a look at how to use the case. You can see we plug in using a kettle cable or IEC at the back. On the sides, we have 4 heavy-duty clips that open like so. And to close, it's often good to use 2 hands just to make sure it's in the right place and then push down that little flap. Once all 4 clips are undone, remove the entire lid. Each AIRA Compact is charged using a USB-C cable on board. You can see I'm unplugging them now. And if the AIRA Compacts have been placed in the case correctly, you can easily plug in each USB-C cable like so, pushing down each device as you push in the USB-C cable. You can see that once I plug in that IEC, the charge light will come on each AIRA Compact. Each USB-C has a USB-A on the other end. If one of them accidentally comes out, you can simply just push it back into its spot. When the IEC is plugged in, you will notice the little green light on each of the power banks. If this small little switch is accidentally turned off, that light will go off and no power will go to your AIRA Compact. So make sure that little green light is on. This panel in the middle is where all of the power goes to the 3 USB-C power blocks. So just make sure that is plugged in nice and securely. At one end of the case, you have this space for all of your cables, your patch cables, and on the other side, you can put your headphone splitters or any other bits that you need to store. And when you finish with the AIRA Compacts, make sure you put the lid on, close all 4 clips. I'm just doing 2 here to show you, and that will be secure.